If you love to have Western food, this one will be perfect for your breakfast. Then let's make baked potatoes with eggs. First, let's boil eggs until they become soft. Meanwhile, let's cut onions into small pieces. Cut garlic and curry leaves as well. Then we need to grate cheese. When potatoes are boiled enough, cut them from middle and scoop potatoes. When doing so, we need to leave some potatoes with the skin. Now in a small bowl, mash these potatoes well. Heat oil in a pan and stir onions and garlic around 5 minutes. Then add salt and pepper into this. Now add potatoes and mix well to combine. Finally add grated cheese. After that, place potatoes on a baking tray and fill with this mixture. Use a spoon to press the mixture so that you can make a small hole to put the egg. Add curry leaves on top. Then crack eggs one by one on each potato. Bake this around 15 minutes under 200 degrees Celsius until the eggs are set. Finally, get this out of the oven and garnish with some curry leaves. This recipe is very tasty and it will be a perfect one for your breakfast. As usual, more details and photos are there in my dailylife.lk site. Until we meet again, subscribe my channel and ring the bell. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video too.